Welcome to the EDGE video tutorial series, Filtering Inventory Data. This video will outline ways to get the most from the EDGE's find and reporting filters. You can use this data to manage missing or scrapped inventory, help a customer find something, check your bookkeeping records, and so much more. Filtering Basics. Start by going to Inventory, Items, Find. There are many tabs across the top of the Item Find filter. Each tab has a number of fields to search by. For details about each field, see the EDGE User Guide. The General tab offers basics for finding items: category, vendor, price, etc. The Type and Status tab allows you to narrow by pricing type, inventory type, and availability. This tab contains a lot of detail that can help you answer questions about your inventory. Item Details allows you to filter by item details such as materials or size. It allows you to select multiple values for parameters also listed in the General tab. The Stones tab offers a very flexible filter in that you can choose the stone type and then further specify details depending on the selection. In the Scan Dates tab, you can find items that have or have not been inventoried since a particular time. The Options tab is used to specify output options. These options differ based on the situation. For a find, the options are narrow. For a report, they are quite detailed. For more information, see the Reports section of the EDGE User Guide. Examples of inventory data mining. To double-check data entry for accurate bookkeeping, you might look for all items entered by vendor and invoice for a certain date range. Go to the Type and Status tab. You'll want to check all item types and statuses. Select a date entered or a date range. Because this is a report, you might want to do several vendors or all vendors and group the results by vendor and invoice. You can also drill down into the report to see specific results. You might want to find all inventory from a certain vendor and over a certain age to consider stock balancing. You could look for all items of a certain type, in a certain price range, for suggestive selling, or to help a customer find something for a particular occasion. To help close out your end of fiscal year books, you might want to run a report of all inventory that was in stock as of a past date. Run Inventory, In Stock by category. On the Type and Status tab, check all except for PO statuses and the Template, Catalog, Faux, Live, and the Onlines. Keep the Sold type because the item can be sold now, but as you will see, might have been in stock as of the in-stock date. Select the date you need. We'll use March 31st. In the Options tab, uncheck Details and Page Breaks. Group by category. To do an accounting of item status changes, you might look for all inventory returned to vendor, marked missing, or marked scrap. Narrow the status dates using a certain date range. It's really important to remember that the more you specify, the narrower your results will be. The key to success is to practice and get comfortable with these filters. Tips and tricks for using data filters. The Presets feature allows you to save commonly used sets of parameters for future use. The Memorized Reports feature goes a step further to add a memorized report to your report menu. Learn more about these features by reviewing the EDGE User Guide and attending the EDGE Advanced Training. The calendar is at www.abbottshapiro.com/education, and it's on the EDGE newsfeed. Thanks for reviewing the Filtering Inventory Data video tutorial. We hope you'll find this information useful. Feel free to contact us at support@abbottshapiro.com.